guys, it's me, Mr. RC, and for my first video, I'm going to do a slime tutorial. Now, I was going to decide to make a gaming video, but my computer just wasn't working, and it turns out it was broken, so I have to get a new one. So that should get one 2 weeks, a week, I don't know. Anyway, so today we're going to be making this slime in here. I'll just get it out for you. Now, this is a very simple slime. You don't need much. It's like, I don't know, really cheap. There it is. Now you see my hands, I used nail polish, but it wasn't nail polish, it was nail polish gel, and that does not work, so don't use that. So it's a small amount. It doesn't stick to your hands. Red doesn't go on it. Or one thing is, you'll find out. So I'll put that back. Now, all we need to make this is some nail polish. I just took this from my sister because I couldn't find anything else. This is blue. Some oil. Any oil will do. I used rice bran oil. You can use olive oil. Not hair oil. I need something to mix it with and something to mix it in. So let's get started. So what you do, grab the oil and you just pour how much you want to make, and your hands will get, when you use this slime, your hands will get a bit oily and slippery, so just be aware of that. So I use quite a bit, which is really bad because I'm just really tired. Then what you want to do, open this, open this, put this somewhere and put it in there. Now pour it in there. Just pour as much as you want. Now you can add more on the way if it's not wet. So you just mix it. You can use a bigger bowl if you want to make a bit of batch. Now it'll start to have this like sort of furry look on it. It looks like fluffy slime. If you've ever made that. It will smell quite bad, so just be aware of that. If you want to spray it, I've got some deodorant here. You can spray it after. Now see, it all sticks together like this. Touch that, nothing goes in here. See? Okay, now if you want to make a small amount, just leave it there. But that was really small, so I'm going to add a bit more. Very simple tutorial, especially if you're a boy and you're gonna make this and you like steal your sisters or mothers. So it'll start to have like this sort of fluffy, kind of carpety look. I'll show you. Kind of like that. Cool. Now this will probably be one of my early slime tutorials or DIYs, something like that. Because this was supposed to be a gaming channel, but I'm like, stuff it, I'm really bored, I want to make a video for you guys. So yeah. Now this, it's got all stuck to the straw, or whatever you're mixing with. So if you want to leave it at there, leave it at there. But I'm just going to add a little bit more. See, it's really cheap as well. Then make sure if you don't want to get your hands dirty, wear a glove, or ask that adult to help you. That'll be quite nice. Now all you have to do, is just wait. I reckon that should be enough. Now I did not mention this, but if you're doing this inside, I'm not, I'm outside. You're gonna need something to just knead it in. So once you're done with that, get all the stuff on as much as you can. Sorry about this. Yeah. Oh, crap. Take all that off. Now see? Now the first bits, your hands may get a bit blue, but after a while, after you knead it and everything, it should be quite fine. Now, I see all this white stuff on my hand. So I made a few. I made a green one and a red one, as I already showed you. But I made it with nail polish gel. That does not work. Do not use gel. Use nail polish only. So this is a small amount. There we go. Quite easy time tutorial. You can add as much more oil and as much more nail polish as you want. It's really up to your parents and how much you want to do. Now, like I said before, your hands will be very oily, like mine is, and slippery. So if you're going to put it somewhere, do it now. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. If you watch this video, these are the 3 colors I did so far. Green, blue, red. Thanks so much for watching this. I appreciate it if you do. Please like. I'm not asking you to subscribe. Let's see if we can hit 100 likes. How about that? Thanks guys. Have a great day and see you all